Every second, billions of messages, videos, financial transactions, and phone calls travel across the globe. Most people assume satellites carry the world's internet traffic. But the truth lies hidden deep beneath the oceans. More than 95% of international internet communications travel through an incredible network of submarine fiber optic cables stretching across the seafloor. These engineering marvels form the invisible backbone of our connected world, linking continents and enabling instant global communication. The journey begins inside one of the world's most advanced cable manufacturing facilities. Here, massive copper rods and optical glass preforms arrive as carefully inspected raw materials. Engineers and automated robotic systems ensure that every component meets strict quality standards before production begins. Precision at this stage is critical because even the smallest defect can affect thousands of kilometers of cable. Next comes the copper wire drawing process. Thick copper rods are pulled through high-speed drawing machines that gradually reduce them into extremely thin, strong conductors. Sparks flash from powerful industrial equipment while lubrication systems keep the process running smoothly. These copper elements will later provide electrical power to underwater signal amplification systems. At the same time, giant glass preforms enter towering fiber drawing systems.
I'm updating the inventory right now.
Heated to extraordinary temperatures, the molten glass stretches into incredibly thin optical fibers, each one capable of carrying vast amounts of digital information through pulses of light. These fibers are thinner than a human hair yet powerful enough to transmit data across entire oceans. Once formed, the fibers move through advanced coating lines where protective polymer layers are applied. Ultraviolet curing systems instantly harden these coatings, creating a durable shield that protects the delicate glass from microscopic damage. The finished fibers are then wound onto massive reels by fully automated spooling machines. Precision robotic systems ensure perfect alignment as kilometers of optical fiber are prepared for assembly. The next stage combines these fibers into the cable's communication core. Bundles of optical fibers are carefully organized inside protective tubes while engineers monitor advanced digital control systems. This central core is responsible for carrying the world's internet traffic at incredible speeds. To protect the fibers from moisture, specialized waterproof gel is injected into the tubes.
Increase the rotation.
This gel creates a critical barrier against water intrusion, ensuring reliable operation even under extreme ocean conditions.
Maximum durability.
Strength is then added through the installation of steel reinforcement members. Heavy-duty machinery wraps strong steel wires around the cable core, creating a structure capable of withstanding immense mechanical forces during deployment and decades of operation beneath the sea. A thick polyethylene insulation layer is extruded around the assembly. Heated materials flow smoothly around the cable, forming another protective barrier against the harsh marine environment. Additional copper shielding layers are wrapped around the insulated core. These metallic layers improve electrical performance and help power the repeaters that amplify signals over long distances. For even greater protection, armored steel wires are tightly wrapped around the cable. Depending on where the cable will be installed, different levels of armoring may be used to resist fishing equipment, ship anchors, and other potential hazards. Finally, a tough black outer protective jacket is applied, creating the finished submarine cable capable of surviving some of the harshest conditions on Earth. But manufacturing is only the beginning. Every cable must pass rigorous quality control inspections. Laser measurement systems verify precise dimensions while engineers analyze real-time production data. Advanced testing facilities measure electrical conductivity and ensure every component performs exactly as designed. In specialized optical laboratories, powerful laser systems send signals through the fibers to verify transmission quality. Even the slightest imperfections can be detected and corrected before deployment. The cables are then subjected to extreme environmental testing. Massive pressure chambers simulate the crushing conditions found thousands of meters beneath the ocean surface. Corrosion laboratories expose samples to saltwater environments, while robotic systems repeatedly bend and flex the cables to verify long-term durability. Only after successfully passing every test can the cable move to the next stage. Gigantic transport reels begin winding thousands of kilometers of finished cable. The scale is astonishing.
Bringing the next
Workers and
reel in.
machinery appear tiny beside these enormous spools containing the future pathways of global communication. Inside vast storage facilities, completed cable reels await deployment.
Secured on my end.
Advanced logistics systems coordinate transportation schedules for major international infrastructure projects around the world. When deployment begins, the reels are transported to specialized cable-laying vessels. At busy ports, giant cranes carefully load the massive reels onto ships specifically designed for undersea cable installation. Soon the vessel heads out to sea, far from shore. Enormous rotating drums slowly release the cable into the ocean. Every meter is carefully monitored as the ship follows a precisely planned route across the seabed, deep underwater. Remotely operated vehicles guide the cable toward its final destination. In some areas, advanced trenching machines bury the cable beneath the ocean floor, providing additional protection against external threats. Thousands of meters below the waves, these cables quietly begin their mission, day and night, year after year. They carry the digital heartbeat of our civilization, connecting businesses, governments, researchers, families, and entire nations. Together, thousands of submarine cables form a vast global network stretching across oceans and linking every continent.
Monitor the tension carefully.
Invisible to most of humanity, these remarkable engineering achievements make modern life possible. The next time you send a message, stream a video, make an international call, or access information from across the world, remember the extraordinary journey your data takes through these hidden highways beneath the sea. Submarine
Stable at
internet
40
cables are more
kilovolts.
than engineering marvels.
The insulation.
They are the foundation of our connected future, silently
ramp
bringing the
sequence.
world closer
Copy
together,
that.
one pulse of light at a time.
The samples in Tank 3 are